My name is Vance, and I graduated in 1964. My work experiences, which have been varied, have all been successful for me, and that's been based on the education that I got at Jacksonville State. The foundation that they provided for me has stood strong. One word that comes to mind when I think of Jacksonville is substance. And I know it's like, what are you talking about? But this has been a foundation for me. It has been consistency. It's like something that's concrete. I hope that makes sense to everybody, but it has. No matter what life has dealt me, no matter what road I've walked on, what career I've been in, Jacksonville gave me the foundation that I needed. I use teaching skills every day of my life, teaching people how to operate equipment, training managers and supervisors, how to handle people, how to resolve conflict and problems. My classroom was always without windows and without walls, but it was on the job, and because I did a lot of on-the-job training of people or doing research and doing programs for them. But that all came from what I learned at Jacksonville. Education professors would always stress, you may not be planning to be a doctor, you may not be planning to be an attorney, but you're a teacher. And I think that works the same way, whatever your profession, be proud of it and be a good ambassador for it. In 2004, my only sibling, which is a sister, was diagnosed not with one cancer, but she had two cancers at the same time, two separate locations, and the prognosis was not good at all. She's 2018 now, and that's a 14-year survivor, and she's doing physically very well. While we were in hospitals in Birmingham, I noticed that there was always someone that was a little bit more concerned, someone that seemed to be a little bit more detailed. And after a while, you see these people every day and you say, and where did you go to school? I was so impressed with those young ladies that would say they had graduated from Jacksonville State in the nursing program. My husband, the last 7 years of his life, we were in and out many times of hospitals in Nashville. There's Jacksonville State graduates working in Nashville. The professionalism, the way that they handle their patients, it was obvious. Many times when I asked, where did you go to school? I found that their response would be, it may be some place that you've never heard of. And I'd say, it wouldn't be Jacksonville, would it? And they'd say, yes. And I said, that's where I went to school. Or my husband would say, she's loaded a question because that's where she went to school too. I was just impressed with what was coming from Jacksonville State. And I just then, from then on, I made an annual contribution to the nurses program. There's just not enough ways or not enough energy in most of us to think, what can we do to help someone else? And I just think that's really important in our life. Whether it's giving money on a regular basis, whether it's, I have been known to be a motivator, and I'd love to sometimes come in and do nothing but just a one-day seminar with people to let them know how important what they are learning and what they're planning as a career, how important it is in this day's world. My life experiences have been such that it's always been tied into Jacksonville. Everything I've done, from working at a college in Chattanooga, what I learned there and the skills that I obtained there, I took to a nuclear plant, owning my own business at one time, then working as a corporate officer in another business. It all started at Jacksonville State, and that's where I still feel like it'll end at Jacksonville State.